it's raining, you might want to leave your awning out to keep your entry dry or so you can still enjoy the outdoors on your camping trip. However, if you leave an RV awning out in the rain, you need to pitch it to prevent water from pooling on top of the awning. Most RV awnings are designed so one side can sit lower than the other. This lets the water run off instead of collecting in the middle, which can cause damage or even collapse the awning. To tilt your awning, simply grab this pitch arm and pull down. Your awning will easily tilt so rain will run off to the side. Some awnings may have a knob on this pitch arm that needs to be loosened in order to tilt the awning. Make sure the lower side is positioned where you want the water to drain, ideally away from your campsite. We usually tilt the rear side, which is further from our door. If you're using an electric awning, many models will automatically flex under weight, but that's not something you want to rely on. It's always better to go ahead and manually tilt yourself ahead of time. If water has already pooled on the awning, use a broom to lift the fabric gently and drain the water off before tilting it manually. And if super heavy rain or high wind is coming, the safest option is to bring the awning in completely. Do you have other questions about how to work your RV components? Drop them in the comments.